Hey guys, welcome back. Today we'll show you how to start dropshipping on eBay in 2023. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to start dropshipping on eBay as a beginner? Stay tuned because this video is for you. Alright, so the very first thing you need to do is go to ebay.com and register for a new account. The next thing you need to do is choose a supplier. It can be a wholesaler or just like a lot of beginners when it comes to dropshipping on eBay. Uh, Choose Walmart.com because Walmart has a lot of products that you could start dropshipping. Go search for Walmart products that are being sold on eBay. Afterwards, list that item for sale. You do this by making a new eBay listing. Do this for all the Walmart items you find that you want to sell on eBay. And that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope this helped. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next video.